Are you looking to buy a home but don't have a deposit? It's a common predicament, one I found myself in 25 years ago, yearning for my own place but lacking the 20% deposit. The prospect of years of saving only to see property prices rise and the deposit requirement along with them can seem daunting, even insurmountable. But take heart. I've been there and navigated my way to home ownership, and I'm here to share what I've learned. There are multiple paths to securing property, even with little or no deposit. It's all about knowing your options and finding the solution that fits your situation. So whether it's your first home or a step towards expanding your property portfolio, let's explore the possibilities together. If you're in this situation, don't worry. There are several ways to buy a home with little or no deposit. So let's start your exciting journey to home ownership. And don't forget to watch other videos for optimizing and reducing ownership costs. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to share any tips, tricks you have in comments below. First, let's talk about no deposit home loans. These are a rare gem in the world of real estate, allowing you to purchase a home without making a down payment. Imagine the possibilities. No need to wait years to save up a hefty deposit, you can step right into the property market. However, these loans do come with their own set of criteria. You'll need a high income, a stable profession, or perhaps even a guarantor to back you up. Think of them as your safety net, promising the lender that you're good for the loan. The benefits of no deposit home loans are certainly enticing: reduced upfront costs and a quicker entry into the property market. However, you may end up paying a bit more on interest, mortgage insurance, and other costs depending on the lender. So, while these loans are rare, they could be a potential solution if you meet the criteria. Now let's explore low deposit home loans and guarantor loans. First up, low deposit home loans. These gems in the financial world can be a lifeline for those with limited savings. They allow you to finance up to 95% of a property's price with just a 5% deposit. Imagine that. You can own a home by just putting down a 5% deposit of the full price. These loans are easier to qualify for compared to no deposit loans. But remember, you'll still need to cover additional costs like stamp duty, conveyancing fees, mortgage insurance, and other charges that bank may ask. However, these costs could be included in loan amount, hence reducing your upfront cash outlay. But what if you've got a small amount saved and are finding it hard to get a low deposit loan? Well, enter guarantor loans. These are specially designed for individuals who may not have a large deposit saved, but have someone willing to provide a guarantee for them. Usually, this is where your parents or a close family member steps in. In a guarantor loan, your guarantor provides their property as security. This means you can finance up to 100% of the purchase price. Yes, you heard that right. 100%. This includes costs like stamp duty and legal fees. The best part? You don't need any savings. However, it's important to remember that with guarantor loans, if you default, your guarantor is liable to repay your debt, and their property could be at risk. So it's crucial to have a clear discussion with your guarantor about the risks involved. So whether you choose a low deposit home loan or a guarantor loan, both options can provide an achievable pathway to homeownership. They cater to different circumstances and needs, offering flexibility and convenience. Remember, it's always important to do your homework and understand the terms and conditions of any financial product you're considering. And don't forget, seeking professional advice can be invaluable in helping you make the right decision. These options provide an easier pathway to homeownership if you have a small amount saved or a willing guarantor. Other options include using equity, gifts, or even personal loans. Let's delve into how these can help you secure your dream home. Homeowners often overlook a valuable asset right under their roof: their home equity. Equity is the difference between the current market value of your property and the amount you still owe on your mortgage. By refinancing your existing mortgage, you can unlock this equity and use it as a deposit on a new property. Some lenders may even offer cash rebates for refinancing, providing an additional boost to your deposit. Gifts can also be a wonderful way to boost your deposit. Parents or other close relatives may provide a lump sum gift to help you secure your home. Finally, personal loans can provide an alternative route to homeownership. In certain situations, some lenders may accept a personal loan as a deposit. And you don't need to tell lender, just take a personal loan. However, very important point to note. Every loan you take out will be visible to all lenders, hence will potentially reduce your borrowing power. Best example is credit cards. The more you have, the less home loan you can borrow. So it's a better strategy to cancel credit cards if you don't need one. And for me, one credit card has been more than enough. It's also worth noting that personal loans typically come with higher interest rates than home loans, so you'll need to factor this into your budget. As with any financial decision, it's essential to weigh up all the options and consider your personal circumstances. Working with a trusted financial advisor can provide invaluable guidance and help you navigate the path to homeownership. While these methods require specific circumstances, they can provide a much-needed boost to your deposit. Whether it's tapping into your home equity, accepting a generous gift, or taking out a personal loan, these strategies can help you overcome the deposit hurdle and step onto the property ladder. Government programs and your superannuation can also be a great help. It's also worth noting that the First Home Super Saver scheme allows you to save money for your first home inside your super fund. This can help you save faster with the concessional tax treatment of superannuation, but superannuation is a different story for other day. Now let's delve into the First Home Loan Deposit Scheme. This is a government initiative specifically designed to support first home buyers. It allows eligible individuals to purchase a property with as low as a 5% deposit without having to pay the lender's mortgage insurance, a fee typically required when your deposit is less than 20% of the property's value. This scheme can be a real game changer, potentially saving you thousands of dollars. However, there are specific eligibility criteria based on income and citizenship requirements that you need to meet. These options can offer substantial assistance in achieving your homeownership goals. So, you've decided to go for a no-deposit loan. How do you apply? It's essential to remember that every journey begins with a single step, and in this case, it's about doing your homework. Start by researching various lenders, their terms, and conditions. Compare the interest rates, the repayment terms, and the overall cost of the loan. Once you've narrowed down the options, it's time to gather your documents. These typically include proof of income, employment details, and credit history. Some lenders may also require additional documents, so it's always a good idea to ask up front. Now comes the application process. Fill out the form accurately and honestly, ensuring that all the details are correct. But remember, success doesn't come overnight. Start by improving your credit score, demonstrating financial stability, and seeking professional advice. Always consider working with reputable lenders who can guide you through the process and provide the best possible terms. Remember, preparation and knowledge are key to successfully securing a no-deposit home loan. Home ownership without a hefty deposit isn't a far-fetched dream. We've explored various solutions that can make this dream a reality, from no-deposit and low-deposit home loans offering a quick entry into the property market, to 100% guarantor loans which involve your loved ones providing security on your behalf. We've also delved into using home equity or personal loans as a deposit, and even accepting a generous gift from family members. We touched on the First Home Loan Deposit Scheme, a government initiative designed to assist first home buyers. Not to forget, the option of using your superannuation to purchase an investment property. Remember, each solution has its own set of requirements and eligibility criteria. It's essential to research, compare lenders, and seek professional advice. With the right information and strategies, you can overcome the deposit hurdle and secure your dream home. Your journey towards homeownership starts here. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to watch other videos to help you achieving your dreams.